Section 3.1, example 1, using integration by parts. So use integration by parts with u equal to x and dv equal to sine x dx to evaluate x sine x dx. So what we're going to do is start by rewriting this. So the integral of x sine x dx. I'll put a little dot here for multiplication. So now the formula that we're using is the integral of u dv is equal to u times v minus the integral of v du. And this comes from us using the product rule of taking the derivative, but also using that to integrate. So is what we have here. So what we need to do is find part of this to integrate and another part to differentiate. So what I like doing is choosing something that when we differentiate, it gets rid of it. So when we differentiate x, we end up with 1. And when we integrate sine, it's not going to change too much. It's going to end up being our cosine when we either differentiate or integrate. So let's do that. So in this case, we're going to let u equal x, and we're going to let dv equal sine x dx. So again, we let this part be something that we differentiate and everything else be something that we integrate. So here we take the derivative, du is equal to dx. And here we're going to integrate. So integrate dv, it's with respect to v. Integrate dx. So the integral, so we could kind of think of it like this. Integrating dv ends up just being v. The integral of sine is going to be negative cosine x. And now the formula tells us that the integral here is going to be u times v. So let's rewrite this. The integral of x times sine x dx is equal to u times v. So u times v. U is just x. V is going to be negative cosine x. Then we have minus the integral of v du. So minus the integral of v du minus the integral of v negative cosine x, and du is just equal to dx. Let's clean this up a little bit. So this is equal to negative x times cosine x. Then we have negative, negative, that's going to be plus the integral of cosine x dx. Now this is something that we have tools to integrate. So we just combine everything up. Plus sine x and plus c, because we're not integrating over an area, we're just integrating there. And there we go. That is our function. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.